Right. Right. This is an automatic page turner, designed for a woman with MS. She could not move anything from the neck down and wanted to read a physical book on her own. I was introduced to her through the Tetra Society, which is a volunteer organization that designs and builds assistive devices for those with disabilities. Left. Activating a page turn is either done by a voice command or a chin switch. The voice command module can be programmed with 3 different voice commands for turning the page right, such as right, next, or turn, and 3 different commands for backwards, such as left, back, or down. There's also a backup chin switch mounted on an arm. This switch you press quickly to initiate a right turn, and you press and hold it for a second and release to initiate a left turn. The base is 20 inches wide and 28 inches deep. It is intended to sit on a table and be controlled from a wheelchair. Here's a picture of the completed unit being used at her house. The machine can accommodate books 4 inches to 7 inches wide when closed, 6 to 10 inches tall, and up to 1.5 inches thick. Hardcover or softcover. Changing a book takes a matter of seconds. You hold the cover to the tilting platform by an adjustable clamp. Right. Left. I found this design to be extremely reliable, but if I were to do it again, I would probably make a few changes. The first would be to eliminate the tilting mechanism, as it's not really necessary if the book was always held at one position and the turning mechanism worked around that position. And next would be to simplify the overall design, utilize more 3D printed parts, less aluminum extrusions, and try and make it smaller, lighter, and easier to build.